Okay guys, today, if you remember way back, depends on how long you've been following the page, this is my winter car legacy wagon. I think it was 2 years ago. It was hit at full speed here, spun around, and then hit in the back. So notice how it has a blue quarter panel, blue bumpers. This was a huge job to repair. That's a whole nother video that we have posted earlier on the page. It was a couple hundred hours to do this. But yeah, so I drove it all winter like this, and now I've decided I'm gonna go back to black and get my JDM bumpers back on it, because I'm not feeling these diving board length domestic bumpers. So already I've got my hood, my new mirrors, and my JDM bumpers already painted. So what I'm gonna do today is take off the one blue fender, take off the bumpers, and I'm gonna paint the blue fender black, get my quarter panel black again, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the black body parts on it. And it will be a nice little makeover just before winter time, so at least I feel like a real cool dude with my my cool dude winter beater. So here we go. Alright, I got the front fender all sanded down. I still gotta wash it. And now is just starting to mask off the car. And then here I got the rear quarter all done. I was gonna do into some of the jam. You can see my transition previously from when I did this black, when I was putting the car together, and even at the same time. That there is the black too under the seal. And then yeah, I was gonna go into the taillight well, and in here, I already did this all black. So now it's tape time. So we are all taped off, ready to paint. I might spray a little bit of primer there to see if that transition reacts. Sometimes it does. Better to find out with primer than paint. So yeah, there we go. She's all contained. I'm spraying such a minimal amount. These should be fine. I might put a tire bag on them. Pull this down here. So next step is just degrease my work, set up my fans, and then this guy needs to be degreased, and then tack cloth it, and we're painting. Alrighty, we are all painted up, and now time to unmask. Alright, we're back the next day. So now we're gonna get all the stuff back on the car. So I'm gonna start with the back bumper. First I gotta get the mud flaps on it, and that should be pretty quick and painless. Okay, we got the rear all done. So now into the front. This is where it gets a little complicated. So that metal headlight bracket is the factory one for the 05 to 07 Legacy. These plastic ones, like this light has, is for the facelift Legacy that has the curve up in the headlight along with the bumper. As you can see, that is not my year of car. So when I first put this bumper on, I retrofit it to work with this car by cutting off those little triangle tabs on it. You can hardly even tell. So there it is. So now it fits the 05 to 07, but to hold it on, you do have to use the newer brackets. Mine got busted in the accident, so I got a new one. And now I've got to cut it, just like this one here, to fit. And then on she goes, like factory. Alright, I got the other guy cut. Hopefully it fits. And we'll get our fender on to start, and then headlights. Alright, we got the bumper, headlights, and grille in, and now I was going to do the mirrors. So these are the regular Legacy mirrors. I think the glass on that one's broken. So we got these cool dude ones with the signal in them. The only difference is to get the signal to work, you have to use the whole door harness to match it. So over here, stashed away up there, I do have the door harnesses ready to go. Okay, so I got the driver door harness switched. So here's the difference. These are power mirrors, heated mirrors, and now they're illuminated signal mirrors. So you can see this one is the Legacy GT, this one is the Legacy, and you can see the extra pins for the illumination. Switching the door harness is pretty quick and painless, and now we can put our mirror on. Alrighty, she is done. So now the body panels that I didn't paint could definitely use a little polish. I can't see much on this side because of the sun, but this side didn't really have any new paint. But yeah, happy to send this guy into winter looking cool again. Exciting. Yeah, definitely have some detailing to do. Lots of greasy fingerprints on the new paint, but it looks good. That's it. Alrighty. Well, I'd say this pretty much concludes the action for the Legacy. I put in a dash cam too, which is a nice feature for winter. You never know what you're going to capture out there. And that's it.